Introducing Alex's Dry Cleaning Valet. Since 1984, Alex's Dry Cleaning Valet has set the standard for quality and convenience in the San Francisco Bay Area, offering seamless early morning pickups and evening deliveries across San Francisco, the Peninsula, and Marin. Recognized nationally, Alex's commitment to sustainability was highlighted on NPR Marketplace in 1992. In partnership with Dr. Ron Najafi, a renowned chemist and environmentalist, Alex developed the hypoallergenic and eco-friendly Alex's soap, now a favorite among Bay Area clients. Trusted by leading designer brands, Alex's Dry Cleaning Valet combines exceptional garment care with environmental responsibility. Experience the difference today by calling 415-458-8180 or visit us at alexdryclean.com.